Hi guys, today we're having a look at one of the colour duo kits from Colourpop. This is in the shade Juice Pop and it is $18. So, what it says on the website. We're debuting our first ever full-size dual-ended retractable tool featuring 3 of our cream gel liners in matte and metallic shades plus 3 complementary colour sticks. This must-have set is inspired by the freedom to create your own art with zero limits. Go wild! Get the long wear of our cream gel liner and the bold pigmentation of our colour sticks in one, perfect to use on the go. The duo makes it easy to create high impact looks on a whim. So, this is according to them, selection of vibrant purple and mid-tone pink to bright fuchsia and pastel lilac. They recommend that you line with a cream gel liner and then accent with a graphic shape using a complementary colour stick shade for an unexpected twist. So there was a couple of sets. There was like a blue-green set and a red-orange set and pinky-purple. There's lip sets as well, but I went for one of the eye sets. So we've used this today. We're going to do a wear test and let's see how that went. Right, so time to do my eyeshadow last instead of first. So I don't really know which ones of these I want to play with. Right, hang on. I don't think I want to play with this one, Loverboy and Robertson, because it's very, very pink. Kind of not feeling that. So, that leaves us with Swerve and Top Dollar, which is a black liner, classic, and a dark purple cream shadowy colour stick. And this guy, which is Amethyst Hour and Rush. So Amethyst Hour is the pale liner, and then Rush, okay. I don't know why, I'm trying to keep the caps separate so I know which one's which. So, Top Dollar and Rush. I might try and do a bit of both actually. Put this in the outer corner because it's this more vibrant colour and that on the inside. So that's the right way around. Oh my god. Right. Okay, so let's see how this goes. You know I'm not the biggest cream eyeshadow wearer, but this seems quite a stiff formula. So I'm hoping I'll have more luck than I normally do. So, okay, really quite a stiff formula. I have a shade stick and it's a shimmery one and I do not remember it being quite this dry. I brought over like a pencil style brush just to see if that'll do anything blending this. So I feel like I've got a harsh edge on this that I don't want, but I still have. Let's try doing it the other way, putting the product onto the brush. Slightly better. Just try and feather the colour out. I think I had something shimmery on that brush. That wasn't there before. Oops. Oh man. Maybe I should have warmed these up, give them a blast with a hairdryer. Other colour that I like is going down my bra. See if that does help. I feel like the amount I'm tugging just now, this is going to like age my eyes a little bit faster than I want. Just realising I forgot to clean off my piercings after I'd done my foundation. Ugh. See, now I've got a bit of colour outside of the line, but the line is still there. And the skin on this eye was actually a little bit sore already, so this isn't being my friend. I'm being so whiny. And the product doesn't even soft enough to kind of like try and feather out at the edges from the stick. Like, warm up. Okay, that worked slightly better. Okay. Try and build up this side again. I'm going to do the same. I'm just going to hold my finger over it till it feels warm. That didn't work. I've just got these weird harsh lines now. That's why I like powder products better. They behave. They either go on or they don't. They don't go on and stick there, which is the current problem I'm having with this. I really like this concept for a product, like the whole travel friendly duo thing is like right up my street, even though I can never afford to travel places. But man, this is work. So I'm gonna give up on that colour for just now. Let's try the other one that's been down my top. It's a little bit better. Not ideal, but better. These definitely benefit from warming up a little bit. I'm also looking at this one, I don't think it's completely matte, it's got some shimmer in it, so I think that might be helping it as well. How did I not see the shimmer when I swatched this? Crazy. Right. Okay. And then I guess we're going in with the black eyeliner. I don't think anything else would really show up against this. I've used the cream gel liners before. They were nice. I'm hoping this one's nice. This one genuinely feels harder than I remember these being. Wow. It's skipping and everything. What the hell? I was about to like put my finger down to hold my skin tight to line, but it's got that purple on it. Probably wouldn't even transfer the way this product's going. Oh man. Okay, something resembling a wing has been achieved. And now I no longer have a sharp point on my liner. Okay. So this is turning into a bit of a fail. This isn't even the only video I'm filming today, and the other one's a fail too. Yay! I genuinely feel like washing my face. Well, that's something. I'm gonna zoom you in. I love Colourpop! I genuinely can't believe this is the experience I'm having with one of their products. Like, look. It's so patchy, and you know what? See that shimmery shade that worked a bit better? I'm just taking that over my whole eye. It's just... yeah, that's the right one. Oh, it's slightly better, so I'm going to make this slightly less painful for myself today. More crumbling off. I mean, maybe these would work okay as like a coloured base, like to start building pigment, but on their own, that matte one is bad. It's bad. The shimmery one is slightly better, but you know, I'm still... I don't see myself reaching for these guys. Like I said, even the cream gel liner that I tried there was not like the ones I've tried before. Man, let me see. I'm sure I have some sitting here. I do. So like, aside from anything else, like the actual component is much thicker. Like look at that. So this is like my normal everyday coming on its own one. Look how soft that is, right? And then this is the one that's came in this set. Like, I think you can even see like how much creamier this looks compared to the black one. So there's definitely a difference in consistency that I'm quite disappointed in. Right. So yeah, I mean, I guess we'll do a wear test because I've got it on now. I'm going to throw on some mascara off camera. The timestamp just now is 11:20, so I will see you guys in a bit. Right, so I'm back for a check-in. It is just after 6, so we've had about 7 hours wear out of this so far. I mean, it was never great to begin with, but you know, let's zoom in and see. I think we've got a little bit, you know, messed up on this eye. Just around the crease. Knocking everything off. So yeah, you can see around here we've got a bit of wear and settling into the crease. This side isn't as bad. I do have a little black smudge, which I don't normally get with this mascara, so I'm putting down to the eyeliner. And I've got a tiny little transfer line up here with the eyeliner. I would like to try and blend out and fix the eyeshadow, but it was quite hard to blend out in the first place. Let's see, was it this one? Which one did I use most of? Not you, the other one. So let's see if I can even this back out a little bit. I think that looks slightly better. I'm sure there's a Super Shock shadow that's kind of like this shade but way punchier in the shimmer. I think I'd probably prefer to just use that. But I'll keep going with the wear test and see what happens, just for anybody who is still interested in it. But honestly, with the difficulty that I had putting this on, the fact that the gel liner doesn't behave like the other gel liners I have, it seems more dried out. And I don't know, maybe it is because the component's bigger, there's more air in there. I don't know. But yeah, this was just too difficult considering it didn't ever look good after the effort I put in, and it creased within 7 hours. So we'll keep going to see what happens, but I'm already in the goodbye side of things. But I'll come back anyway. Right, so time for a final check-in. It is 20 to 11, so the eyes have been on for 11 and a bit hours now. So let's zoom in. So just about 4 hours since we last checked in and kind of touched them up. So this is the eye that was creased quite badly earlier. As you can see, it's happened again. We've got a balding patch in the middle. Never actually cleared away that transfer from the eyeliner. More eyeliner transferred down here somehow. I must have done this at some point. See how that lines up? And yeah, then the other eye. So the transfer down there as well. I must have really been smiling hard today. And yeah, it's got like the baldy bit on the lid. So unfortunately, I am still just as disappointed with these as I was earlier. I thought this was such a cool idea, like the double-ended, but I mean, think about it, they're suggesting that you use the liner and do like a graphic thing with like the colour stick. I mean, think about how hard it was for me to transfer it. Can you imagine trying to do like a graphic artworky type thing with this? Like, it's just, I mean, like, it just wouldn't work. Like, I suppose, but that's firm skin. My eye isn't like that. It's Flynn worrying about. He's literally just been out. Yeah, so unfortunately for me, these are firmly in the goodbye category. If you've seen them and you were thinking about it, honestly, I really can't recommend it. But if you do absolutely have to have them, maybe warm them up a little bit before you use them, because mine seemed really quite hard, not that creamy. We saw the gel liner breaking off. We saw that the colour sticks just would not blend for me at all. So yeah, unfortunately, sorry Colourpop, love you, but this is a miss. If you've got any questions about these, leave them down below. I'll get back to you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!